just in awe of God right now. I'm just enjoying His presence. I'm just like, wow. Every night God has been moving in such a powerful, powerful way. And we're just in awe of what the Lord is doing. Bless you, Paul, all the way from Cheshire. Came with my 3 daughters and it was beautiful. Wow. Great to have you and your family down, man. Bless you. Yakil from Poland, Shanta from Canada, bless you. Fiaz from Pakistan, Lahore, bless you. Krish from Nepal, bless you. Benji from Australia. Abis from Kenya, bless you. Bless you from Mauritius. Hey Anita, hope you're doing well. Bless you, great to see you the other day, briefly. Bless you, Kiosti from Finland. Yoon from Kuwait. Another person from Kuwait. Someone watching from Kenya. Someone watching from Oman in the Middle East.